Hello world. Welcome to Python Machine Learning on the Edge. Machine countdown begins. 0987654321.
Hello, world. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome back to Robot Thought Zero to Hero series Python Machine Learning on the Edge. Alright, guys, we are on lesson number 13 and we are going to learn about slicing two dimensional NumPy arrays for machine learning. Alright, so basically, from the second element, the slice elements from index 1 to index 4, which is not included, that's how we are going to slice within two different arrays, which we will create, and I will show you to you how to do that. So I am going to log into my Jetson Nano, and I hope you are logged in as well. Alright, guys, let's get into our Jetson Nano. There you go. I am on the Visual Studio IDE, and let us import NumPy. NumPy as, what was that? NumPy as NP. Okay, and then space. Let's create a two-dimensional. Let's create an array, just an array, right? Array equals NP dot array and a curvy bracket with a square bracket. By this time you guys should be used to this particular terminology, the square bracket for the list for the array in NumPy. All right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? Any numbers, we can put any numbers you want. Okay, and then let's print say, I think we should create, this is not going to work, guys. Let's create two different arrays. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's leave it at 5 just to keep it small, and then square bracket and then comma. Let's open another array with a square bracket, 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, since we have two arrays, so we need to make sure that we have created at the beginning itself with two square brackets. Very important, guys, or else your program will throw up some error. And now let's close it with another bracket. Oops, not curly but a square bracket, and then a curvy bracket to close this. All right, now let's print curvy bracket arr and then a square bracket 1 comma, say 1 is to 1 colon 4, like this. Okay, now we will be able to slice the dimension. There are two different dimensions here, right? The first dimension and the second dimension. We will be able to slice between the dimensions. Remember that, guys, remember that the second element has always the index of 1, right? It starts with 0, so it has to be 1. Now let's run this program and see what happens. Let me enlarge this screen first so that things are clear. All right, now let me run this program. Right click, run. Where is my run Python file? Okay, run Python file in terminal, and you get 7 8 and 9, right? So you are able to access and slice dimension 1 and the dimension 2, right? Now let me give you another example. So let me kill this program first. Say if you have to from both the elements, if you have to return the index, how do you do that, right? So we got to do like this. Let me explain, show you to you. say for example, the let the array be as it is. Okay, let's create 0. Let's access from say 0, uh, 0 is colon 2, and then the second array. Okay, now let's see what happens. And this is how from both the elements this should ideally return 2. Now let's see what happens. Run Python file in terminal, and you get 3 and 8. So you are able to access the elements from array 1 and array 2 as well, right? Now let me give you another example. So if you have to access from both the elements, like, for example, slicing the index 1 to index 4, but index 4 will not be included obviously, and this will also return a 2D array. How do we do that? So let me show you an example. So let's edit this, the last one. We don't need to type everything from the beginning, the code. So 0 is to 2, and then what we can say, 1 is to 4, right? And then a square bracket and a curly bracket. Now let me kill the previous program and run this code. Let's see what output we get. Alright, there you go. So 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and 9, right? So now it is clear, guys. So I hope you guys are clear, absolutely clear in terms of how to slice and dice the data with the arrays and play around with NumPy, right? Alright guys, so I am going to get back to you soon in the next lesson, and I'll show you some more tricks of the trade. See you then, bye bye.